The Government of India has launched the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, making solar energy even more accessible and beneficial for homeowners. Not only can it significantly reduce your electricity bills, but it's also a step towards a sustainable future. But before the electricity bills start shrinking, let's get some tips to ensure your solar system is top-notch. First stop, module basics. Look for the module's ID. That is manufacturer's name, manufacturing year, unique serial number, and model number. Additionally, look for the Made in India logo, as only these modules are eligible for subsidy. Ensure the wattage details of the solar module are clearly stated. The higher the wattage, the greater the production. Additionally, always check for the efficiency label on the solar modules. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, that is MNRE, mandates that all modules must have a minimum efficiency of 19.5% for crystalline silicon modules and a minimum efficiency of 18.5% for thin film modules. You may also check for the BEE star rating if available, which indicates the module's energy efficiency. More stars signify better performance. Next up, location, location, location. Your modules need to face south to ensure maximum sunlight absorption. One can easily check this with the help of a compass on their phone. Ensure there's no shading on the modules from nearby buildings, trees, parapet walls, or even inter-module shading. After the developer unloads the solar module, check for damages such as cracks on the module glass, bubbles on the module backsheet, or discoloration of the module surface, which will decrease its production capacity. Do the same again after installation is complete. Next, let's talk about the inverter, the brains of the operation. Similar to the modules, check for the manufacturer's name, manufacturing year, unique serial number, model number. Ensure the inverter has the correct IP rating, that is IP65 or better for outdoor installations and IP54 or better for indoor installations. Also look for the BEE's minimum overall efficiency label if available. Bonus points if your inverter is Wi-Fi savvy. Time to get mounted. The mounting structure is equally important. It should be sturdy and durable. You can choose between aluminium, hot dip galvanized iron, or hot dip galvanized mild steel for the best support. Don't forget to ask for that certification. Lastly, the developer is mandated to provide an operation and maintenance contract, that's an OMC, for at least 5 years. This will help in maintaining the efficiency and longevity of your solar system. And there you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge to ensure your system is deployed optimally. Now go forth and harness that solar power. May your bills be low and your energy be green.